everyone, my name is Beverly. I enjoy various crafting, and I had a plan of what I wanted to do with starting this video adventure, but yeah, I'm just going to start today with a product that I bought. Haven't tried this out before, thought it would be nice for embellishments for my cards. I love doing the paper crafting, so let's have a look what we got. Ordered it from an online shop, one that a lot of us order from. It's a wax seal kit. I've been eyeing these out for a long time. They get sold out super duper quickly, so I thought, let me take the plunge and buy it. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so that looks like our little burner. Here we have little tea light candles. Battle if we can use scissors. I haven't learned how to do editing of videos yesterday, so this is completely live. So we're going to have a lot of interesting comments because I can't edit them out. But hey, let's go for it. Let's pull this little thingy up. Here's our tea candle. Give some extras here. Here we have our wax stamp. Here's our little spoon that we melt our wax in. Really cute. Still trying to find a place that sells interesting stamps. All I can really find right now is the Tree of Life, which, as we can see, I don't know, there we go, Tree of Life. I know my dad's been trying to do a mosaic table with that, so maybe this will inspire him a little bit. They give you a variety of little wax beads, which is also sealed, so let's open that. Given us some cardstock to work with. Oh, it's actually envelopes. Four envelopes. I think it makes sense because generally use these wax seals to seal envelopes. Okay, we'll put those aside. There we have little pens, probably used to colour in the little raised sections of the Tree of Life stamp. Just put those aside for now. Also got a piece of tissue. Apparently that's used to clean the wax out of this little spoon. A lighter, which is not supplied. It took me a long time to find one of these because none of us smoke in this house. And then I've also got a silicone mat just to protect my surface from any heat damage. So let's get going. Hopefully we don't burn the house down in the process. Put that on here. Light our tea light. Okay, there we go. Put that on top. Hopefully we don't burn the wood. Haven't tried this before. It's just really intrigued me. I've watched a few YouTube channels in the past day or two just to get an idea of what to do. This little kit really gives you a lot of pretty colours. And I'm going to go for pink because I love pink. And maybe take 4 little pellets. I'm not sure how many we need. Get in here. also going to get my needle tool just to stir it. Now I've seen a lot of people, they will melt these, they'll pour the wax onto the silicone mat, make the little wax seal and then use it as an embellishment. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. Okay, I can see it's starting to melt. If you guys have tried this out, please let me know. Maybe you can give me some tips and tricks. This is all a South African channel. Things are different with overseas and here. We don't get a lot of the same products as overseas, and as South Africans we try easy things, the easy way. Okay, I see it's starting to melt here. Just stir it a bit. Don't think we're burning the house down yet. The wood's not burning. Sometimes I'm accident prone. As I say, this is all live, so I can't speed it up. Keeping it real here. If there are any places out there that sell different heads, please post under this video, as I'd really love to get different ones. Everywhere has like long delivery times, or if you order from overseas it's very expensive for the shipping. I'd love to get a cow because obviously my craft name is Mookel's Crafts, so anything with cows is awesome. Okay, it looks as though we are melted here. So let's see how this works. The reason for doing it on a silicone mat is that I don't burn my crafting mat. I know these are cutting proof, but I'm not sure if they're heat resistant. Let us see how this goes. The spoon has a little pouring spout, so let's pour it. Get as much out as I can. Okay, I see it's going black on the bottom. Let's move that off. Now we have our little seal. It's pushed in there. Okay, it seems as though there's a little bit all around the sides, excepting this little front, but I'm sure it'll just look authentic, being different on this side. While that's setting, whoops, okay, we've still got some pink in there. Let's maybe add some of this lighter one, get that melting so long. Close this so we don't mess it everywhere. Okay, it's come up. How do we get it off? Oh, that is cool. It's a lot easier than what I thought. I don't know if you can see that. There's our little tree of life. That was a lot easier than I thought. And it's not too fat. That is really, really cool. This time I think I'm going to add one extra bead. Let's use 5 this time. Colors are getting all muddled here. I'm also trying to find places where to get more of these. I know a lot of our local stationery shops sell the sticks, but not these little beads. So if you are a supplier that sells these, please comment below and let me know. I'd love to support you guys. Anybody local, I'd love to support. Okay. Let us start stirring this. It's starting to melt. I've seen guys online, they will use like a gold pebble with pink, and then they get almost like a marbled effect on these wax seals, which really, really looks pretty. But right now I'm starting basic. This is my first time doing this, so let's not play around. Pull this out. Okay, I think that's most of it. I don't want to mess on the side. See, they say you must like follow it, move your little stamp around so that you get a nice little lip around your stamp. Oh, that definitely looks better than the last time. Okay, I'm going to blow this candle out now. They say you must just clean it while it's warm. Try not to kill everything on the craft mat. Be careful because it's hot. Ooh, yes, it's hot. Beverly is burning herself. I don't expect anything less. So if something is to go wrong, it goes wrong with me. Oh, still very, very hot. There we go. Our spoon is all nice and clean. Okay, it's got a little bit of a burn thing, but yes, now it's all ready for next time, so there won't be any color contamination. My candle is out. Let's see how this is. Oh wow, much better. So definitely, I think it was 4 beads or 5 beads that we used, but I'll keep playing around. There, can you see that? Tilting it in the light. Really, really pretty. And I assume you would take this, just put a strong adhesive on the back, stick it on your project, and there you go. A nice little addition to your card or onto your envelope. I don't know, I'm really impressed. I'm going to play some more, but yeah, my first adventure. And that's the end of my first video. I hope to share a lot of more crafting stuff with you, and hopefully I learn how to edit so you don't have to listen to all my funny comments and stuff. But thanks for joining me. I'll be back soon. Bye now.